Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Spotify password if you forgot it from phone in 2022. The process is very simple, as for Android, as for iPhone, iOS device are the same. Just open any browser on your device and go to spotify.com. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner, tap login. Then here you will find forgot your password, tap on it. Okay, now enter your email address. Then tap I am not a robot, then tap send. Okay, now we should open email. I use Gmail app. I open my Gmail app, then go to message from Spotify, and here you will see a link reset password. Tap on this link from email, then open any browser. Okay, just wait when opening this link. And here we should enter your new password 2 times, as you can see. Then tap I am not a robot, and then tap send. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.